I'm Susan Littlefield. Let's review what's happening so far today in this market trade on a Monday. We saw a nice small explosion happening in the soybean market. So to find out what's going on, we're going to bring into the conversation Sue Martin. Sue is with Ag and Investment out of Clarion, Iowa. And another great day to really see the way these soybeans are trading, Sue.
Well, it is. And of course, keep in mind, beans is the market that is loaded with shorts and heavy fund short. And so we're catching short covering out of that market. Still, we have to keep in mind soybean stocks to usage ratio is for the US is 8.7%. And in 23-24, it was 8.3%. And in 22-23, 6.1%. So still not what we'd call tight supplies, even though the carryout is 380 million bushels. And then you look at the world, and we're at 7%, actually 31.7%. And back in 23-24, a year ago, we were 29.2%. And 27.6% for 22-23. So again, there's plentiful supplies of beans around the world.
So many cattle guys are wondering, can we keep this crazy cash momentum going for another week?
I think we're in the process of probably putting a temporary high in here of around that 1040 mark, basis the March contract. And then we catch a little bit of a pullback. And then we see what we're made of. I think the 45Z decision by the Trump or Biden administration was a good send-off for bean oil. And this week, we're supposed to hear more talk about it. And of course, they're cutting out credits for used cooking oil, which I think is a fabulous thing and instills more demand for bean oil. So then they'll turn around and put it in the lap of President Trump elect when he goes into office next week. And we'll get to see just what he does with that. But for now, that was a good thing for the bean oil market.
Wonderful. Well, by the way, folks, you can catch Sue Martin coming up later today after the close on the channel Final Bell. And you can pick up the podcast as well of the whole thing at ruralradionetwork.com. I'm Susan Littlefield on the Rural Radio Network.